We are very delighted to present performances of three well-known artists of Bengaluru today for the 100th Ananya Nritya Ulasa. We have Kathak performance by Vidwan Swikrit BP, Bharatanatyam by Vidushi Padmini S. Upadhyay and Vidushi Aishwarya Nityananda. Shri Swikrit is an accomplished Kathak dancer, teacher and choreographer from Bengaluru. He is recognized as a vibrant solo performer, a dedicated teacher, and has received applause from both the dance fraternity and critics alike. Shri Swikrit will begin his Kathak recital with Chautal, a pure nritta or a technical composition in Kathak. It is based on 12-beat time cycle. In this piece, the dancer presents the various technical segments of Kathak like Tihai, Tukda, Paran, Ladi, etc. Kathak is usually danced to live music. It's not only hard to find musicians these days, but it's also expensive. Henceforth, they get music recorded and presented accordingly. Tal is normally a very long piece, wherein the dancer also explains and recites the technical segments before he or she performs them. It is also very interesting to note how the dancer arrives of Sam with a striking pose. To arrive on Sam is of utmost importance to any Kathak dancer, and this shows dancers' mastery over Laya and Tal, which comes only with dedication and practice. Before beginning Chautal, Shri Swikrit will present a shloka on Lord Ganesha, the elephant-headed god who is the remover of all our obstacles. The music for Chautal is composed by Pandit Birju Maharaj. Ganesha shloka is sung by Shri Sanjeev Abhyankar. Dance choreography by Shri Swikrit. I request all the audience to refrain from videographing the dance from your mobile phones and please put your phones on silent. Thank you. Thank you.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा.
Namaskar. First of all, thanks to Raghavendra sir, Ananya organization for giving us this wonderful opportunity. My gratitude to all the senior gurus, art lovers, fellow friends and audience who are here. I present before you Chautal, Bara Matra. I will recite the bowls. Tha, tha, dhin, ta, kit dha dhin ta ti ti ka ta ga di ga na dha. I have incorporated jumps, leaps or hops, whatever you can call them, in every segment where I felt it was appropriate. So if you like something, please show your appreciation. You don't have to sit idle. And humble request, please do not record from your mobile phones. We have assigned videographer and a student of mine who's going to record for my reference. Chautal.
Da da din da kit da din da kit ka ta ga din da na kit ka ta ga din da na kit ka ta ga din da na da din da kit da din da kit ka ta ga din da na kit ka ta ga din da na kit ka ta ga din da 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 din da kit da din da kit ka ta ga din da na kit ka ta ga din da kit ka ta ga din da.
प्रस्तुत है ठाट, a very beautiful and subtle movement where we use our eyebrows, eyes, the neck, the shoulder, the upper torso along with our wrists. How we arrive on the ठाट sum becomes extremely important. 4 kinds of ठाट. The first 2 are masculine, the next 2 are feminine. प्रस्तुत है आपके सामने ठाट. Shefali, can I have you on stage? She's going to recite.
धा धिन ता थे तत थे तत थे थे तत धा. धा धा धिन ता ता थे आ थे ता थे आ थे तत धा. धा धा धिन ता तिट धा धिन ता ताकिट 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 धा. धा धा धिन ता तिट धा धिन ता थे 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 तत धा.
Moving on to footwork, कुछ what we call as तत्कार of चौताल. उसके बाद में see how we play with numbers. गिनतियों में हम लोग कैसे खेलते हैं वो मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ. किट था धिंग ता टी टी का त ग दी ग न. 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 धा.
धा धिन ता तिट धा धिन ता तिट क त ग दि गन धा धा धिन ता तिट धा धिन ता तिट क त ग दि गन धा.
Another one. I will recite the first set. It is repeated 3 times. Tik tik ka ta ga ti ka na. 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2.
एक दो तीन एक दो तीन एक दो तीन एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात आठ धा एक दो एक एक दो तीन एक दो तीन एक दो तीन एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात आठ धा एक दो एक एक दो तीन एक दो तीन एक दो तीन एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात आठ धा.
Another one. Kick the tha, ding ta, ti ti ka ta ga ti ga na. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 dha. 3 times again. Yashaswini, please don't record.
एक दो तीन चार पाँच पाँच छः सात एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात आठ नौ एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात आठ नौ धा एक दो तीन एक दो तीन चार पाँच एक दो तीन चार पाँच एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात आठ नौ एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात आठ नौ दो एक दो तीन चार पाँच एक दो तीन चार पाँच एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात आठ नौ एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात आठ नौ धा.
One more, last one. The first set is this. The 2 sets I'll do. प्रस्तुत है पखावज बोल, जिसको हम पारन कहते हैं. धागे तिट्ट तागे तिट्ट किड़दा तिट्ट दागे तिट्ट गदि गन नागे तिट्ट धिक तगेन धिक्ता किड़ धिक्ता धूम किट तक धिक धिक्ता धान 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 धा धान धान धा तागे तिट्ट तागे तिट्ट किड़दा तिट्ट दागे तिट्ट गदि गन नागे तिट्ट धिक तगेन धिक्ता किड़ धिक्ता धूम किट तक धिक धिक्ता धान 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 धा धागे तिट्ट तागे तिट्ट किड़दा तिट्ट दागे तिट्ट गदि गन नागे धिक तगेन धिक्ता किड़ धिक्ता धूम किट तक धिक धिक्ता धान धान धा धान 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 धा धा धिंता. टुकड़ा ताथे तथे आथे तथे ताथे तथे तकिट धिकिट तकिट धिकिट धादाति धा धादाति धा धादाति धा. अगेन 3 times चक्रधार है. धा धान धा दागिन धा दागिन धा कत धा घेंत धा तकिट धा तान धा किड़दा तिट धा किड़दा तिट धा किड़दा तिट धा अगेन 3 times चक्रधार है. और 2 चीजें हैं. गद्दिंग नगतिट तक तरी किट तक दिकिट तान ताधा किड़ता तिट धा धान धा दाति धा किड़ता तिट धा धान धा दाति धा किड़ता तिट धा धान धा दाति धा धिंता. I will conclude Chautal with a Ladi. A footwork pattern usually goes like a chain, but in a reducing format. So प्रस्तुत है Ladi.
Shri Svikrit essays the role of an artistic director of Satkrita Academy of Movement and Expression, which is an effort to promote Kathak and also aims at using body movements and facial expression as a medium to share one's idea. He is a recipient of the dance scholarship in the field of Kathak from the Ministry of Tourism and Culture, Government of India, and is an A-grade artist of Doordarshan. Abhinaya Nritya Bharati felicitated him with Nritya Kaumudi Award for his commitment to Kathak in the year 2008. He was awarded the title Nritya Bharata by Natya Taranga in the year 2015. He has taught Kathak to many aspiring students in Mangaluru and Kerala. Svikrit will now present Niratata Shankara Parvati Sangha, a composition on Lord Shiva and his consort Parvati. In this piece, Lord Shiva and Parvati are dancing together, showcasing the concept of Purusha and Prakriti. Shiva is dancing vigorously with Gunguru tied around his ankles, Ganga flowing gently from his matted locks, wearing a snake around his neck. Holding a trident in one hand and Damaru in the other, while Parvati is lending her support to Shiva by her grace and beauty. Various instruments like the veena, mridang, jhanj, and damaru are the accompaniment to the celestial dance. This piece has been composed by Pandit Birju Maharaj, choreographed by Shri Svikrit BP.
शङ्कर शङ्कर पार्वती सागा
Fascinated by Kathak, the North Indian classical dance style, Svikrit began his initial training under renowned dancer couple of Bengaluru, Sri T.D. Rajendra and Srimati Nirupama Rajendra. To further master his skills, he received intense residential training under internationally renowned dancer couple Guru Maulik Shah and Srimati Shira Parikh at Ahmedabad. He has learnt specific Kathak nuances from Guru K. Murali Mohan at Bengaluru. He has also had the privilege of attending Kathak workshops under Pandit Birju Maharaj and Srimati Geetanjali Lal. He has enthralled audience across India, USA, UK, Germany, Switzerland, and Thailand. Some of his performances in India include Uday Shankar Dance Festival, NCPA, Nartaka Festival, and other festivals in Chennai, Hoysala Mahotsava, Tunga Mahotsava, Karavali Utsava, Bengaluru Habba, Alvar Dance Festival, Nrityadhare, Vishwa Kannada Sammelana, Drishti Dance Festival, Gandhi Jayanti celebration at Raj Bhavan, Bengaluru, Bangalore School of Music, and many more. Shri Svikrit will conclude today's recital with a tarana. In the repertoire of Indian classical music, tarana is a form of singing in which there is no poetic content. Instead, the singer uses bowls or syllables to the melody of the raga in a given rhythm. In Kathak, tarana is a complex and fast-paced nritta piece. It involves pure dance technique and demands clear conception in footwork and body movements. This tarana is in Raga Darbari, set to Japtal, a cycle of 10 beats. Music and vocals by Pandit Birju Maharaj, choreographed by Shri Svikrit BP. Presenting to you a tarana.
tere na din tere na din dana din dana na 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 tere na din dana din dana na na tere na dana dana tere na dana dana tere na dana ni tere na dana dana din 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 tere na dana ni tere na dana dana din 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 tere na dana ni tere na dana dana din 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 dana tere na dana ri dana dana din dana dana din tere na dana tere na dana ri dana din din dana dana din din dana dana din